Calculator. Anong dapat isang leader? Communicator. Tama yan. You communicate because communication is the language of leadership. Okay? Ano ba? Advisor. Okay? So meron pa tayo noon, yung mga sinasabi doon, meron tayo doon na trait, meron tayong characteristic of a leader. Okay? And nakita nyo kanina, di ba? Sino si Mark Zuckerberg? Sino yung mga bata? Kasi minsan kasi the mindset is that ang leader pang matanda lang. Hindi pwede, no? Kasi kita nyo mga fresh mga bata, no? Hindi ko na. Okay? And you know what? Leadership is not just reserved for the old. Because leadership is what? Leadership is coming from doing. Kahit bata ka, leadership is leading yourself first so that you can lead others. Okay? So i-discover natin ano ba talaga yung leadership. Naka'y ipanganak? Diba? Nagsabi yung doktor, congratulations, you got a leader. Meron wala? Wala. No? So wala talagang born leader pala. Okay, but again, mayroong nagsabi, no? Na ano daw, di ba? Okay? Leaders are born, then they are made. Pinanganak muna bago magiging made. Okay, so there was a study conducted actually, no, by Center for Creative Leadership. Anong ibig sabihin dyan? Hindi masyadong klaro. But again, that study shows that leaders are made. Okay? Ano ang leadership? Made. Meron tayong born, kaya lang, meron silang DNA about leadership. Pag hindi yan na-expose into the right environment and to the right training, ano mangyayari? Mapanos na siya. Panis yan siya. Walang mangyayari. So again, leadership is made. Therefore, ano ibig sabihin? Each one of us has the capacity to be a leader. Okay? Hindi sabihin na sir, wala na dito, no, you have the capacity. All you have to do is first acknowledge, then you have to be open for learning na matuto kang maging isang leader. Okay? Research on leadership, back up tayo. No? Sa ano daw, sa stock market, no? Yung mga well-led companies, alam nyo, the contribution of leadership is 900%. Meaning, importante ang leader. And, okay, why leadership daw? Yung mga talented na employee join the company because of its charismatic leaders, generous benefits, world-class training. But how long that employee stays and how productive he is while he is there is determined by his relationship with the immediate supervisor. Okay, so meaning to say, people stay in their work because of the leader. In one hand, kung nag-resign din siya, bakit? Because of the leader din. Imagine yun ang dapat natin malaman. Nag-resign or nag-stay because of the leader. Ikaw po yun. Bakit siya naman? Okay? Sabi ni Ma'am kanina, the only definition of leader is someone who has followers. Because leadership is influence. Kaya na, leadership is I will follow you. Tama? O saan ka nang follow you? Sa likod, di ba follow you? Okay, so follow you ka. Sabi niya, leader, kaya namin nag-follow you sa inyo. Akong joke, bright din yun. Alam mo naman tao ba? Okay, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. If you cannot influence people, then you are not a leader. Influence na siya. And this is my favorite. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Diba? You're able to unleash. What's the word? Unleash the true potential of the person. Not only theirs, but also yours. Na-unleash mo yung totoong gift mo. Meron ka, kaya lang nahihiya ka. Kasi, anong turo sa atin sa bahay mo? Pag may mga bisita, pag mag-ano ka doon, shh! Diba? Tapos, kung bata tayo, let's be honest, I want to get your opinion dito, inside. Yung bata, imagine, 3 years old, nadapa, anong gagawin ng parents? Hindi ba? Anong gagawin? Kahon, tapos, ano? Bunalan. Isi bunalan. Kabalungkot siya. This is the real scenario. Nadapa yung bata, ikaw ang bata, sinong paluin? Ang sahig. Tama? Bag ang sahig. Kaya natumba si baby. Di ba? Okay, ikaw, lalo mo yung pinsan mo, senaryo. Bitbit mo siya, nadapa o something. Anong gagawin ng parents? Paluin si uncle or auntie. Bag si auntie. Nadapa si baby. Real image. You know what's the messaging here? Alam niyo ba? Anong messaging dito? Nagkamali yung bata, hindi niya responsibility na nagkamali siya. The responsibility is coming from other people. That's why ngayon ang mga bata, hindi sila accountable. They grow na wala. Hindi ko kasalanan. Kasalanan ng